Prøv en lille smule længere op. Meget lidt. Så hvis du ligesom lukker øjnene nu,
ja,
og prøver at trække vejret sådan dybt ind.
The 3 nominees for the 2022 LUX Audience Award have been announced. Flea is an animated documentary telling the true story of Amin, an Afghan refugee who came to Denmark alone as a teenager. Now, years later, he confronts a secret from his past.
Hey! Den bevæger sådan et par mere.
Great Freedom takes place in post-war Germany, when homosexuality was a crime. Hans is put in prison for being gay. While there, a relationship slowly develops between him and his cellmate, Victor.
Evo nas 11. jula 1995. godine u srpskoj Srebrenici. Poklanjamo srpskome narodu ovaj grad.
In Quo Vadis, Aida works as a translator for the United Nations in Srebrenica, which has recently been invaded by Serbian forces. Her family is one of hundreds seeking protection. Aida faces a dilemma. Can she use her position to help her family and her people? The winner of the LUX Audience Award is chosen by the public and members of the European Parliament.